Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can create your account on WWE 2K26. It's pretty easy. All you have to do, just open your browser and in the search bar type portal.2k.com and just hit enter. Once you do that, you're gonna see a window like this, and in order to create the account we need to click on sign up. You can create your account either with your email address or you can continue with Google, Epic Game Launcher, Steam, PlayStation, Xbox, Nintendo, whatever that is you wanna create your account with. You can select that. I want to create my account with email, so I'll just click on sign up with email. Then here we need to enter the country, choose the birth month, and just choose the birth year as well. And just here you need to click on continue. On the next window you need to enter your email address, confirm the email address, enter the password, confirm it, enter your first name, last name, enter your display name. Then you have to accept the terms and conditions and just verify that you're human and just click on sign up. Then they're gonna send you the verification code on your email address which you have entered here, and after entering the verification code your account will be created. And that's basically how you can create your account on WWE 2K26. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.